This is the first episode of a 5-part series on how to become an Amazon associate, being the Amazon affiliate program. This series is going to cover how to create the Amazon associate account, how to properly fill out the tax form, how to provide your payment details and get paid by Amazon. And then finally, I'm going to show you how to get your 3 qualifying sales. Because if you don't know, Amazon gives you a window of 180 days to provide 3 qualifying sales. And if you don't do this within that time period, you're going to get kicked out of the program. And so I'm going to share with you how you can get these 3 qualifying sales within the 180-day period. And this is without having any prior influence or following of any kind on social media. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section and I will try to answer to the best of my knowledge. Now let's get started with the account creation. So to be a part of the Amazon affiliate program, you have to do this on top of an Amazon account. On top of your Amazon account that you use to make purchases on the marketplace, you then create your Amazon associate account. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to create a new Amazon account so that we can go through the entire process for someone who is completely new to Amazon. So we are going to create a new Amazon account by providing our name, our email, and password, and click on create your Amazon account. And once we do this, it gives you this puzzle, different ones sometimes, and then you just go through and do the puzzle. So once you complete the puzzle, you click on confirm and then head over to the next part where you're going to verify your email. They're going to send an OTP to your email, and then you provide the OTP there and click on verify to move on to the next step, which will be to verify your phone number, which is where some people, especially if you're Nigerian, usually have problems. See, some people even have reached out to me to say that Nigeria has been kicked out of the program, but as you can see, Nigeria is still here. You can select Nigeria and then provide your phone number. The reason why some people think that that Nigeria has been kicked out is because sometimes it can be difficult to get your OTP with your Nigerian phone number. Some people try and get frustrated and then they get stuck in this level. And I've also experienced this creating accounts. This one actually didn't come immediately. It took a couple of tries before it came in. So, but some things I can advise you if you're Nigerian or you're from somewhere else that you might have this issue is keep trying. You can try in different times of the day to see if you get the OTP sent to you immediately. So try different times. Don't just try once and throw in the towel. But in my case, right now, they have sent me the OTP. I'm just going to enter it in there and click on create your Amazon account. And once that is done, the account is created. So once the account is created, we can go on to add our address and all the other things like we would on a normal Amazon account that we want to use for shopping. But of course, we don't want to use this for shopping alone. We want to become an affiliate on Amazon. So we're going to scroll all the way down again and click on become an affiliate. And this time you will see a message that says that this email and number you're using is not connected to an associate account. So that means we can sign up. And if we click on sign up, you can see we can now enter the payee name. We enter the address, we enter our city, which can be your local address where you're from, your country. You can select your country. Again, if I scroll through, you can see that Nigeria is available here. So Nigeria can sign up to become associates on Amazon. Our phone number +234, our country code is there, and we can enter our phone number. So I've just entered all of that details here and then clicked on next. The next thing is to enter the website that we have influence on, where we're going to be driving traffic from to Amazon. So if you have websites, if you have social media presence or accounts that you're going to use to drive traffic to Amazon, you want to enter them here, add as many as possible. And I advise adding all the places, all the social media accounts that you have. But also if you forget, if you don't add all of them, you can always go to your account settings, click on account settings, and then select to edit your website, mobile app, and where you have your skill lists. You can then provide more of them. So if you don't do it from the beginning, just know that you can always add more over time. So the next thing is to check if we are going to be directing traffic primarily from sources for children under 13. And of course, the answer should be no. So we're going to say no and click on confirm. And then here we're going to enter our preferred associate store ID. So your brand name. For instance, we are TheBrimFactor. I can provide that there. And then tell Amazon about the content we create and what your content is about. And tell them also what best describes your content. So for me, I've said content on niche website, but you can select anyone that's appropriate for you. And then we can go on to select where we heard about the program. I've just selected word of mouth, but these are not so important. Select anyone and then provide the captcha and then click on finish. And congratulations, you have just created your Amazon account. You've become a member of the Amazon Associate program. Occasionally, you might be required to provide your associate ID to verify your account with Amazon. And also it says in the meantime, you have been granted the full access to Associate Central for 24 hours a day. But most importantly, if your affiliate links have not referred qualified sales for after 180 days, your application and access to the Associate Central will be withdrawn. By the end of this series, we're going to talk about how you get your 3 qualifying sales within your 180 days window. But for now, we've just created the account. So you want to watch the next episode where I show you how to properly fill out the tax form to avoid any mistakes, and these mistakes can be very costly. I'll see you in the next episode.